Want a new look for your home? GLK offers 35 years of professional experience in a broad range of custom remodels, room additions, bath and kitchen remodeling, enclosures, roofing and most all other building services. Our business values are based on integrity, honesty and craftsmanship. We are an owner-operated company that cares about our customers' needs. In addition to delivering superior quality construction, we are innovative in keeping costs down, saving time and minimizing disturbance. We do remodeling and modifications the way you want and where you want. Kitchen. Transform your kitchen from functional to fabulous. We can design and build your dream bathroom, remodel the existing or do simple repairs. Bathroom. From true solid hardwoods to engineered wood flooring, pre-finished hardwood, bamboo and composite wood, our resource and distribution ability sets up our homeowners to get the best possible quality, savings and pricing guaranteed. Wood flooring is what we do. Wood decks. We specialize in paver installation, sealing, paver cleaning, brick paver repairs and restoration for all landscape materials. Whether it be a brick paver patio, walkway, paver driveway, pool deck, retaining wall, or brick paver step, we can fix it right to bring back the curb appeal your home once had. Roof repair. Tile and marble. Summer kitchen. Plumbing. Moldings and trims. They have the context of the very best the industry has to offer and still keep it in your budget. Call us now for free estimate, 954-934-5250. Or visit us at www.glkconstruction.biz.